Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the Grinch. It's a good headshot. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So let's kind of jump into it. It's going to be simple. And you can draw this, by the way, no matter who you are. If you're completely brand new, you will be able to draw this. And that's it. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do on this side, and I'm going to grab another marker here because that's kind of screwed up. That marker is a little dried out. All right. Before I do that, if you like learning how to draw things in 10-minute increments, hit the subscribe, okay? If you like drawing anything, Fortnite, Pokemon, SpongeBob, dinosaurs, Godzilla, any of that stuff. If you enjoy any of that, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification right now. It's going to let you know when I post. So that stuff will pop up on your feed. Helps the algorithm out for us, and it's good for you guys. So let's get started. Gonna go over here, and so the Grinch has a really, really heart-shaped face. That is something that's very, very noticeable. So I'm gonna have a curve over here, almost like you're drawing a heart, but he's gonna have fur on the way down, right? So there's gonna be a little bit of texture, at least where it comes off, and then down here. Okay. Draw a line up for the top of the head here. Gonna go on this side, draw the other side of his head. Same thing, the same heart shape, but with fur at the top here. Down. Curve underneath. Curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath. Right here. Go on this side. So that's the brim of that hat, right? And the texture I'm doing there is more of a bubbly texture, right? Because the hat is like billowy and made of like, what is it made of? Cotton or something? I don't know what the edge of the hat's made of. But probably cotton, right? I don't know, fibers. And so that's going to be very noticeable. Same thing at the top. Obviously, the brim of a Christmas hat is very rectangular, and that's kind of what it is really. Curved line here, just to make it look like it's a cloud or something. Go over here on this side, pull up over here for one side of the hat. Go over here on this side, pulling in. Line over here, pulling down to the edge of that hat. Go over here, line up for one eyebrow over here, and it's going to be touching really, right? So the center of the furrowed eyebrows is here, and up over here on this side. Okay, that's just a placeholder for the eyebrows, right? What I'm going to do here is I'm going to curve a line down for his eye, and then I'm going to make the eyebrow a little bit thicker, and then curve. We see the other eye. So the eyebrow, I'm sorry, before I go to the eyebrow, right here, line over here for the bottom of the eye. Go over here to this side, maybe thicken out the eyebrow a little bit. Line over here. Line over here. Out, down. Alrighty. Let's go after his nose. He's going to have like a bump at the top of the nose here. Curve on the side. Curve on the side here. And underneath here. So he's got that little button nose. Biggest feature with the Grinch, the space between his nose and his the opening of his mouth is very long. That space is huge. So it's gonna be like we're gonna pull a line down, and it's gonna be more like down here. It's gonna be the top part of his lip. Let's go over here to the eyes. right there on one side, and then right here on the other. Line over here underneath maybe, and line over here like a bag under his eyes. You don't have to do that though. But what's really important is we're gonna draw a line for the crack of the very edge of the mouth. How he has this really huge smile going on. And I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna come down, almost like a stair step, down here. See that? Come down, edge of the lip. It's like a soft, like a stair step. Alrighty. And I would like you, if you can, to draw little edges coming out of the already built eyebrow, because he had that a lot in the cartoon. He had little edges coming out of that brow. And you don't have to do it everywhere, but it would be, cool to do it here and there. And that's kind of it. You know, I hope you had a nice time. I hope you're able to do that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. It's really just like the heart part. The heart shape is huge with this character. And remember that the nose, at the bottom of the nose, and the top of the lip are super, super far apart. That's the biggest things to remember. But I want to thank you very much for following through this long. You are amazing. Everybody's so nice on this channel. I'm grateful to be here. And like I said, Christmas is here for the most part. And yeah, Merry Christmas. And I'm going to post a lot of various Christmas stuff through the month as well. But definitely don't forget to subscribe and all that. If you want to do a favor for the channel, hit the share button. You can either share it with a friend that you think might like it, or you can share it somewhere. Share it like on a public place, and it would be amazing to do that. But yeah, and let me know what you want, by the way. Give me some suggestions in the comments. And lastly, if you want to become a better artist, hit up the description. Like, go there. There's a lot of stuff there. I have my full beginner lessons on Skillshare, and I'm going to start putting some new ones out. So go take a look at that if you want to improve overall as an artist. If not, it's all good. Just do these. They're fun as well, and these will help you improve as well. Talk to you later, and I'll see you soon.